everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X4 M Competition in Sao Paulo Yellow with the Black Merino Leather inside. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X4 M Competition in Sao Paulo Yellow. I've just pressed unlock on the key, so we got the welcome light animation from the headlights. Let's go ahead and do the pathway lighting. So full low beam system is on now. Looks good. And you know what? Let me do a lap all the way around the car. And this is my first time seeing the X4 in Sao Paulo Yellow. It is really bright. This is essentially a monster highlighter on wheels. Welcome light carpets illuminating nicely down here at night. So now that we've done that full lap, let's go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. We got the beautiful Sao Paulo Yellow, no charge paint option. This paint color originally appeared in 2021 as the G82 poster color, and now it's moved on to a couple other models, including the X4M. And I think it looks pretty cool. I think the XM is also in Sao Paulo. I've not seen that, but seeing this in person looks pretty sweet. So we've got a line coming off of the A-pillar, and then we've got two more lines coming lengthwise down the hood. And we've got the BMW Rondell up front and center, one piece high gloss black kidney grille with X4M badging on the driver's side and the double slats. And no active grille shutters on this. It's just wide open. We've got radar puck down here, some oil coolers and intercoolers, and actual air going into the brake duct area. So that is sweet. And I've got the headlights back on. So if we take a closer look at the headlights, these are the BMW Laserlight Headlights. So we've got the blue accents in there, and they've got some lines in here that reflect, and the form factor is the 4 eyes at the front. So that looks really good. And I think X4M bumper just looks really good at the front too. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 21-inch double spoke 892 M wheels in jet black burnish, and we have the red M compound brake there as well. So you can see the face is burnished and the insides are black. It's kind of hard to see, but if you see a black wheel, you'll notice instantly they look totally different. And we've got the reflector in our market. And on the fender, we've got the X4M air breather, they call it, but it's not open. And if we take a look, we have carbon fiber M wing mirrors. We have the sunroof up top. We have the new style antenna. And if I step back a little bit, you'll see that we still have this style of door handle with touch comfort access on all four. Don't worry, this is going to come off. It's just a protective sticker from transportation. Side profile, definitely sports activity coupe. And that little cutout area on the rocker panel is where the welcome light carpet illuminates from. And we've got the Hofmeister kink here, and you can see the rear windows come polarized, front windows are not. And we have a little deck lid spoiler up here. We have the carbon fiber spoiler on the tailgate. And if I come around to the back here, you'll see that we've got the beautiful L-shaped tail lights. And we have Rondell here, which is also the handle for this. X4M badging in black. And down here, we've got the vertical reflectors on each side, the quad exhaust tips, and the rear diffuser in high gloss black. So I've got the key with me. Let me just go ahead, kick my foot underneath the middle of the car so we can get this to open up the hands-free way. And we have two separate cargo covers, some carpeted mats and some winter mats, accessory winter mats, 12-volt plug in here, grocery bag hanger over there. There's a storage compartment at the bottom on this side, and there's a storage compartment at the bottom on this side as well. So let me just put these things back here. And if I lift this up, this one has optional spare. Wheel lock key tow hook is in this area here. And yeah, it's pretty good. Front plate bracket is in that little bag there. So when we're done with this, up top, button to close, another one to close and lock in one step, but we can certainly just kick our foot underneath. To have this close the hands-free way. And on the passenger side of the car, we have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We need 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power, and there's a little space to put your fuel cap while you're refueling. Now let's take a peek inside the car. So more beautiful carbon fiber trim, ambient light strip. We've got the stitching going across as well. And we have the door pull. It says X in here. More stitching, more ambient light, window switch, door handle with more stitching, deep door pockets, little recline feature here so you can actually have the seats not fully reclined as they are now. M tricolor seat belts, release lever on the shoulder, fold the seats in a 60-40 split. We also have the armrest in the center with some cup holders, and at the top there's a lever for the center pass-through, and the center headrest can flip up or flip down. And these are the black merino leather seats, so they smell awesome and they look really cool and they're soft to the touch. And on the back of the center console, we do have some vents. Rear climate controls are here as well. And down here, there are two USB Type-C charging ports. There's also some ventilation and illumination underneath the front seats. And up top, there is a swiveling coat hanger right here. It's a little bit hard to see with the lighting. Let me just turn off the lights. And yeah, you can kind of see it better now without all that glare. So now that we've had a chance to look at the back seating area, let's shut this door and let's open up the front passenger door next. So once we got this open, we got Harman Kardon sound system, some stitching going across, carbon fiber, ambient light. It says X in there, also says X4 on the B pillar. And we got window switch, stitching across, pockets on the door, X4 M Competition door sill in aluminum. And we've got the full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. Headrest height is also power adjusted with the illuminating M badge on the headrest. Again, M tricolor seat belts. We do have the manual under the thigh extension here as well. Glove box down here illuminated, ambient light going across, stitching on the dash, carbon fiber, massive iDrive 7 display, physical climate controls, and we have your programmable memory buttons. And let's open this up. So there's a wireless charger, a designated spot to put your key, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug, M gear selector with M tricolor stitching and the M emblazoned on the top. We got the push start button, the iDrive controller, and if I lift this up, you'll see we have the USB Type-C. There's some paths for some cables to come out and not get pinched. And we got the stitching going across on the drift knee pad. So let's go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver door, open that up, Harman Kardon, memory buttons, unlock, lock, door. We got windows, side mirror controls, tailgate release, more pockets are down here. Door panels got all kinds of stitching going across, looks great. X4 M Competition door sill. Again, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. We've got the M steering wheel with M tricolor stitching, leather airbag cover, M1 config, M2 config, and we've got the iDrive 7 cluster here. And if I take a quick peek, I just wanted to see car settings, driver assistance, driving. So we do have the assisted driving, so automatic lane change, driver attention camera. So basically, as long as you have one hand on the steering wheel, the car will do the speed, the distance, the steering, and you can change lanes if you signal and nobody's beside you. We also have the garage door openers up here. Sunshade opens up. Glass can tilt up or slide back, just like that. We've got SOS up here for roadside. We've got your reading lights, and pull down the visor. We've got the mirror opening with the light. These are microphones on the ceiling on each side, and since I've got the roof and the shade fully open, I can double click and they'll both come closed at the same time, so I don't have to worry about that. And now that we've had a look at all that stuff, down here there's a storage compartment. We've got some pedals. We've got a dead pedal, and this is your hood release. It says 2 times on it, so 1, 2. So when we come to the front, we won't have to find anything. We just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline-6 twin turbo. This has 503 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. I love the carbon fiber strut brace going across, and nice engine cover, some more strut braces on either side. Positive battery terminal here, negative battery terminal down there, that post, and washer fluid goes in there. BMWs only like regular washer fluids, so don't put anything with silicone or Teflon in it. BMWs also have 2 latches under the hood, so we just have to bring the hood about halfway down and literally send her. Beauty. Alright, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one final lap all the way around the vehicle. And we'll get some longer range shots. It does look really cool. It's definitely going to be having everybody staring at you for sure. But maybe that's what you want. The design, X4 looks great. And with that S58 motor in there, this thing is a beast. And you know what? Let's listen to this beast. I've got the key with me, so let's do a little remote engine start, cold start. So 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. Whoops. And we'll do 1, 2, 3 again. So that sounded pretty beastly if you ask me. What did you think? Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, what do you think of the Sao Paulo Yellow X4 M Competition? All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X4 M Competition in Sao Paulo Yellow with the Black Merino Leather inside. I think I've set off the alarm for carbon monoxide by turning that on in here. Whoops. Anyway, if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'm getting all foggy in here. We'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.